Sugarcane is indelibly associated with the history of the island. Its resilience to the agroclimatic conditions has been a primary reason for its cultivation, spanning over more than 360 years. Research and development (R&D) on sugarcane is of utmost relevance today, as it was the case 1¼ century ago when the Station Agronomique was set up in 1893. Established in 1953, the MSIRI, through excellence in its scientific undertaking, has enabled the sugarcane industry to sustain its productivity and competitiveness. It operates since 2012 under the aegis of the Mauritius Cane Industry Authority, while a Research and Development Committee advises it on its research orientation. Cane breeding is a core, ongoing activity that mobilizes major R&D resources. Its main goal is to provide growers with varieties that are high-yielding in cane and sugar, adapted to local agroclimatic conditions, suitable for different harvest dates and mechanized harvesting. High fiber content, but not to the detriment of sugar for cogeneration, is another desirable objective. Since 1953, 72 varieties have been released, including 12 foreign ones. Biotechnology supports the breeding program by improving the efficiency of selection. It focuses on understanding the highly complex sugarcane genome using next-generation sequencing platforms and bioinformatics. Gene editing is currently being investigated as a new breeding technique for sugarcane improvement. The diseases and pests situation in Mauritius has been very sound over several decades, except for sporadic outbreaks. The success resides in long-term vision, aiming at preventive control measures, establishment of a rigorous quarantine system, applying novel diagnostics, reliance on variety resistance, and using disease-free seed material. Insect pests control has been successfully implemented through biological control by encouraging natural enemies of the pests to establish themselves. R&D has actively been engaged in finding weed management strategies by introducing and testing new and safer herbicides and spraying techniques to decrease costs and the amount of herbicides used. One of the remedial actions taken to address a general yield decline observed since the 1980s is the development of improved cropping systems integrating reduced tillage, controlled traffic, inclusion of a leguminous fallow break between two crop cycles, and green harvesting. Changes in field layouts and in agronomic practices have led to some 22,000 hectares harvested mechanically. R&D aims at enhancing the use efficiency of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium fertilizers by adopting an integrated nutrient management strategy with minimum impact on the environment. Soil testing and plant analysis constitute the basis for making precise fertilizer recommendations. The MSIRI plans to adopt new spectral techniques to provide high-quality, high-throughput analytical services to the sugarcane farming community. Research on irrigation focuses on how to reduce water and electricity usage on the 13,000 hectares that are currently irrigated. Center pivot, dragline or drip irrigation systems have average or low pressure requirements, and IRIPIVO and IMIS software assist in irrigation management. Water can be saved through deficit irrigation, leading to an overall increase in farm yield. MSIRI uses GIS, GPS and other technologies to create a seamless geographic database for managing sugarcane lands. Strategic planning documents for mechanization are available, while GIS technology is used for various land resource projects. Digital technologies such as drone mapping and web-based applications are being integrated for higher precision outputs. The industry is broadening its revenue base by moving from a single commodity manufacturer to one of renewable biomass for the production of a broad range of high value-added co-products. The valorization of Mauritian sugars and conversion of sugarcane trash for bioplastics production are under study. Collection of cane trash for energy production is a new avenue that holds promises. Communication with the planting community is necessary in order to undertake research that is demand-driven by producers. Mechanisms are in place for sound interaction between researchers and the industry. The MSIRI library has an extensive collection of scientific journals, reports, books, proceedings, audiovisual and cartographic materials. It has a unique collection of rare botanical literature on the natural sciences of the Mascarene region, including paintings of local plants and portraits. MSIRI provides a number of services to the industry, being ISO 17025/IEC accredited standard for a number of biological, chemical and environmental tests. Its staff also undertakes consultancies and provides training at national and international levels. MSIRI advocates international collaboration, networking and partnerships with research centers. Sugarcane forms an integral part of the Mauritian landscape. It is a versatile plant that has a unique multifunctional role in producing not just sugar, but an extraordinarily range of value-added products. The successful transformation from conventional sugar to an industry in multiple forms is being forged through innovative research and development solutions.